For the next few minutes, what we're going to do is walk through a PrintScreen from Gadwin software. The PrintScreen is a nice little program to use if you ever need to make a screen capture that you can send to somebody or use on your blog, or send to someone that is helping you troubleshoot a machine. The way to run it is pretty straightforward. You double click on the icon, it pops up down here in the bottom and lets you know several things about the current settings that you have on the program. So you can see here you have the full screen as the source, so it'll take a snapshot of the full screen. It'll copy it to the clipboard, and then it will save it to a file if you want. So these are good options, and you can set these separately in the options. If you come down here and double click on the tray icon, the program will come up and you can see the options that you have. There are a number of very good ones that I like and are worth looking at in more detail. Notice that you have a hotkey setting here that you can change to whatever you like. I tend to like the defaults on this one, and that's what I use. It gives you the ability to set an initial delay before the screen capture. So if you want to take a picture of a menu, then this will allow you to snap a picture of that. It has the ability to let you preview the captured image, and it also allows you to run it at Windows startup, so you can either select to do this or not to do this. I tend to not run a whole lot of applications in memory because I don't like the problems that causes, and I just run this when I need it. Now let's look at the source settings. As you can see here, you've got the current window, the client window, full screen, or a specific area on the screen. It also gives you the ability to capture the mouse cursor. So if you want to highlight something, or if you don't want to have your custom cursor showing up, it allows you to take away from that and not have that cursor blinking on the screen like it is right now. One of the other nice things that it allows you to do is specify the destination for your picture. So you can, as you can see right down here, I've got mine set up to dump off into the documents directory, into a specific folder linked to screen files. If you want to open it after it's done, you can't. To edit it, you can click here and open your favorite image editor to work with it. You can capture it to the clipboard, which is the default option, and that's the one that I tend to use. The other nice thing about it is that it allows you to select the format you want to capture it in. The default format is the Windows bitmap. I don't use that very much. I like JPEG and GIF work more than anything else. It lets you capture it in grayscale. It lets you do an image shadow, and it will also automatically resize the captured image for you if that's another thing that you would like to do. Here's the About screen. It has a lot of the standard things you would expect to see on an About screen. You get some free downloads here that you can use, but you'll notice here it says that the PrintScreen Professional comes with a capture program as well as an image editing program. So let's see exactly how this works. What I'll do here is I'm going to pull up Evernote and run it. I use Evernote a lot. I'll put a review of it up on the site later on. I like the way that it handles things, and I like the fact that it's web-based. So that's got a lot of features in it that I use. So here we go. We're going to take this standard page and you can assume that you're on a website or someplace. You hit the print screen key. It dumps it off to the program. The program pops up here so you can see exactly what you've captured. You can continue the output, and it will save it automatically to your directory. And now if you go look at your directory here, you'll see that down here in the print screen files directory, it's captured the image that we just pulled up there. And here it is. It's in a JPEG format. It opens just like a regular JPEG does, and you can now edit with it, or edit it with your favorite image processor. So that's it. That's a quick walkthrough of PrintScreen by Gadwin Software. And if you like the product, please show them your support by dropping them a line or by purchasing the professional version. Thank you.